Good afternoon, friends. I got some garden humor for you guys. I was going to do this live early this morning, but I had to go out to a doctor's appointment. But I want to share with you, I'm going to give you an update, but I also want to share with you something that I thought was extremely funny, and I'm sure that you will too. Let me turn my camera around. Let's see. Why is it not there? Oh, there we go. They didn't change the controls. But again, got this huge wood chip pile. I've been working on it, bringing it down. But walking out here to the watermelon patch, guys. You remember me talking about this was the first watermelon plant that I planted? Well, does that look like a watermelon plant to you? Looks kind of like a squash plant. So what a brother had done, or what he done. That's that, you know, I went to college, but sometimes it doesn't sound like it. I planted some squash, and I got it confused. I had them labeled, and I probably had the wrong packet of seeds sitting next to this and thought it was a watermelon, and it was actually a squash. But just wanted to show you what's going on out here at the Bunbury farm. Of course, you know, it's really warm today. I watered everything today, but this ground is already dried out. But we've gotten that good rain, and of course, that's my grandson's archaeological dig. Right over here is the cucumber plant that I planted out here. And but as you can see, these lemon drops are really taking off, because it looks like pretty soon we're gonna have some watermelons coming up out of these babies here in a little bit. They are taking off. These other ones are not. They're kind of slow. And again, you can see corn is doing really well. And I should have turned this sideways so you could get a better view, but oh well. And also our chickens out there. In another week or two, we're going to have a new build. We're going to be putting up a shed, because let me walk over here. And also got my pepper plants. Got my green pepper plant. I already got a green pepper here. Nothing over here yet. But as we walk over here, I want to show you we got our other chicks. I just moved them out here to the outside pen. So you can see they have really gotten big. I gotta change this water out, because they like to throw all those pine shavings up in their waterer. But again, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I figured this out a couple of days ago. I was out here working in the garden, and I kept looking at that plant. I'm like, those are yellow flowers over there. And I said, that's not a watermelon plant. So we got squash. We got two varieties of watermelons. We got cherry tomatoes. We got regular tomatoes. We got corn. We got potatoes. We got onions. We got green peppers. And this morning, I planted my collard greens in the ground. So they are, also our lettuce. So we're looking pretty good. This sunlight is doing it good. You know, we had that rain almost the whole week last week. We thank God for that. But I just wanted to share with you a little bit of garden humor, and let you know, hey, I still make mistakes, but at least this is a good mistake, because we thought we had one thing, but we got something else that we weren't even planning to grow. So we give our praises to the Most High for that. As always, guys, you know, if you're enjoying these videos, you know, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go on over to our YouTube channel, Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Keesa, where we will be uploading new content as much as possible. And we'll see you in the next video. Later.